Hey guys, today we're doing a big bank here in Oak Brook. And we're gonna do this main strip. We've already got the conference room in there and a small piece of carpet down in there. But yeah, they want us to hit this rug and this main piece of carpet here at the Republic Bank. We got Phil over on one side. And we're doing all these little offices. All this main area, cubicles. What's up, Mark?
If I take this off, it's not gonna pop out on me, will it? Water?
Why do you want to take it off?
Because it's full.
Oh, yeah, no, it shouldn't. It's a stop valve.
We just.
Yeah.
Hey,
Yeah, no, thanks for checking.
right?
Getting all the way back here. The main hall should go pretty good. And all these cubicles, wow. It's not too bad, just a lot of staining, I guess, little coffee spills. And, yeah. There. Yeah, this is, jeez. It's got to be embarrassing for that coworker. Wow. Yeah, we got some bad staining back here. But they got the right team on the job. Wow. So I'm guesstimating there's about 30,000 square foot here. And I got the truck mount set up over here. On this side. We're about done over here. That's it. We should get good results here. Need any carpet cleaning? Commercial carpet cleaning? Book us online at windycitysteam.com.